Oh my god, it's so painful. I can't tolerate it. It's so painful.
Isn't it,
Oh my
Akash?
God.
What happened? Why are you mourning?
I got toothache. It's so painful. What are you doing here?
I'm here for a checkup. What about you?
I'm here for a procedure.
What kind of procedure?
A root canal.
A root canal. It's pretty serious, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't take care of my teeth. It's now infected.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Are you in pain?
A little. I took some medicine this morning.
That should help.
I don't have dental insurance, so it's going to be very expensive.
That's terrible. Why don't you have dental insurance?
I didn't think it was important.
I think it's important to have dental insurance for everyone.
Yeah, it's important to take care of your teeth.
I agree.